Hello, this is Garemore again. Today I just got my new Bluetooth module here. I have it all wired up. I have everything wired up. Here's the audio jack that goes to my headset, the 5 push buttons, the activity light, and even the USB port. So it can also play audio from my computer. In fact, that's what mode it's in now. We press play. Skip the song. If you want to switch to Bluetooth mode, hold the play pause button for a few seconds. I also have YouTube audio library up on my phone. It gets plenty loud. Activity light turned off. Gonna try calling myself. Oh. Apparently Wi-Fi wasn't enabled on my iPod. Let's try that again. Let's see what happens.
Dear Morris calling. Dear Morris calling. Dear Dear Morris calling. Dear Morris calling. Dear Morris calling.
Oh, I don't have the microphone hooked up. I'll have that hooked up here in a few seconds. Let's try that again. Gonna accept. Hello, hello. The microphone works. Hey Siri. What's the time? What's the time?
It's 3:07 p.m.
That's it for this demonstration of the KCX BT002, I believe. This is the model number of this module. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe Follow me on social media and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.